Hello, welcome back to Punky Flute. Today is the part 3 of how to swing on a flute. In the first episode, we've done counting swing rhythm with panda. 1, panda, 2, panda. On the second episode, we put them together. Panda, panda, pom, pom. By now, you're excellent at swinging on the beat. We can go all day, go chong, go chong, go chong, go chong, go chong, go. But what happens if we didn't start on a beat? So you've got the half a beat rest and then starting on off beat. How do you count that? You've seen that before, and quite often my students give them wrong way around. So I had to come up with something. Pandas didn't go all the way. So I've come up with potato. Nobody says potato, right? It's always potato, potato. It's always in the middle. The long bit is in the middle. So we're going to go potato. And even better, we're going to make it potato peeler. Let's keep going with potato peeler counting today. And you're never gonna get it the wrong way around. It's always gonna be potato, potato peeler. It goes like this. Now let's have a go improvising. So we are going to do 24 bars of a melody. And then we are going to improvise exactly the same amount of bars. Don't worry about chord changes or where you are or anything. Today's exercise is to practice potato rhythm. So as long as you got the potato something, 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 that's what we want to aim for. Let's have a go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you have enjoyed today's episode, please consider subscribing. I hope to see you next time. Thank you. Bye!